Well, tonight a victory for Governor Gretchen Whitmer in Michigan's abortion battle. An Oakland County judge extending the pause on the state's abortion ban. 7 Action News reporter Kiera Hay has reaction from the governor, who says there is more work to be done.
The polarizing topic of abortions continues to make headlines as yet another court hearing determines how our state will handle the procedure. Well, today, a judge determined that the ban on abortions will continue, at least for now.
And the court is continuing the restraining order.
After hours of attorneys pleading their case, an Oakland County Circuit Court judge determined he will extend the temporary restraining order put in place on Monday that prohibits a county prosecutor from criminalizing anyone for having or performing an abortion.
Obviously, I'm relieved and comforted.
Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald says she feels reassured that women and girls have, quote, stability and safety, but that protection is not set in stone. In 2 weeks, the prosecutors and defendants will be back in court to go through a formal hearing with witnesses, a day David Kalman is looking forward to after today's defeat.
There is no right to an abortion under Michigan's Constitution. So to grant a TRO to stop enforcement of a law based on the current existing status of the law is an interesting outcome.
What's the harm and foul?
Todd Flood, a managing partner at Flood Law, says the judge granted the extension of the restraining order because the defendants could not prove that there was any harm in enforcing a law that hasn't been enforced in decades. Whitmer says today's victory is only a step in the right direction.
So we're going to continue to fight like hell. I filed the lawsuit. People asked, oh, was that even necessary? Well, it sure as heck was. Now with this recent decision, we went right to court. We got our temporary restraining order. We'll continue to fight every step of the way.
The goal of the prosecutors is to keep this temporary restraining order in place until the Michigan Supreme Court can determine if the 1931 law banning abortions in Michigan is legal. I'm Kiera Hay, 7 Action News.